But I had no idea it could taste like that. Like cinnamon water mixed with marijuana, caramel and honey, appleberry nana. Got that cinnamon water.
Thank you for tuning in to another video of mine. Today I did this look using the Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette. Don't ask me what possessed me tonight and made me do something so dark. I really don't know. I don't know why I went this dark. All I know is it's currently almost 1:30 a.m. and I'm tired and I've been going at it for about 2 hours now. I literally just got done and the clock reads 1:56. So this is my first time using the palette. I haven't used it for anything else. This is what it looks like. I like it. You know, it was cool. Everything was okay about it. It did have some fallout, like usual, like every eyeshadow palette I feel like has just a little fallout. But I did enjoy it. So like I said, I created this look. I added a little bit of glitter here and there. I did this dark as vampy lip. I do not know why I went this dark, but I did. Maybe because it's dark outside and I'm just in that mood. Who knows? Who knows? Cute. I got my hair up today because I didn't feel like flat ironing my hair. So I just threw it up. Didn't feel like it, y'all. It is what it is. Y'all gotta take what I give y'all. Take what I give y'all. Enjoy it. Comment down below. I want you to like. I want you to subscribe. Soon we will be having a 100 subscriber giveaway because I just reached the threshold today. Today is the 30th and I just reached it. Actually, I started on the 29th. It's the 30th now because it's after 12. But yeah, I reached the 100 subscriber threshold yesterday and I'm super excited. I will be having a giveaway. My next video will be about the giveaway and let me not say too much. But I hope everyone enjoyed this video. Please like, please subscribe, comment down below how you feel about this look, and let's jump into this beat. Okay, so first I'm going to be taking that dark purple shade and I'm going to be putting this directly into my crease. Remind you guys, I do not know the name of this shadow. You know, Morphe only put the names on those little plastic sheets. And unfortunately, I have lost it already. So I'll just be pointing the colors out to you. Okay, here I'm going in with that berry color. I'm going to use this color to help blend out that dark purple shade we just placed in the crease.
They gon' try to overthrow us, they gon' say that we a gang. Try to dirty up my name, try to put my legacy to shame. Never going melatonin blowing, name of being better with the flow. And I've been hearing rappers, they ain't